July 16 was the day where my wife was supposed to give birth to my eldest daughter.
Mhm.
So because there were no current at the time after
The earthquake.
the earthquake, tiworik nga talaga kat baby in
Oh, yeah.
misis ko. Kasano nga ganak awan mo ti operating room. And we were lucky. Awan tinatumbaan kada kami. We were safe.
Where were you during that?
We were working at the office at Otex Street
Mhm.
near Burnham Park. So I forgot about myself as a newsman.
Yeah.
Kahit ko tag-shoot nga, I was worried with my
Mhm.
with the baby and my wife. So luckily, we were airlifted 4 days later.
Yeah. 4 days later pa.
4 days later,
I thought it was immediate.
no, because Baguio was kind of marooned. It was isolated.
Oo.
There was no road networks.
Mm.
We were only able to communicate through radio, yung single sideband na over. That time, awan nga rin ti telepono iti, awan ti cellular phone. So through radio, adadya single sideband mi, sakbay nga may radio message mi ti Manila kat dumalan pa iti Tawi-Tawi,
Wow.
dumalan pa iti Basilan, through radio,
Sorry. Yeah.
through operator mo lang. And then, sometimes, mang shipping line,
Mm-mm.
it's really through radio because the communication via single sideband runs through the cloud and then
Oh, yeah.
passes through the clouds. Sakbay nga na-relay yung information di Manila office mi, dumalan pa di Tawi-Tawi, Basilan.
You were a witness of that, tragic event, and then maybe you have seen also yung importance ng open area for disasters like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
The only wide space here in the city of Baguio is Luacan
Mm.
and then Burnham Park.
Mm.
Nagadayo ija nga pangiko.
Mm.
After, we had a lot of learning experiences after the earthquake. We attended several disaster management trainings, rescue drills, light extrication. Importante DJ ko where to position yourself, where to conduct your triads.
Yeah.
You have to separate the surviving, saan ka ag-establish iti paramedic, saan ag-establish ka iti operation center.
Yeah.
We learned about those. And that's why, no mabalbalin ko makit, they retain wide open spaces in the city of Baguio. Okay, there's Melvin Jones, mabalingan niya pa dita.
Yeah.
And then there's this space near PFVR.
Yeah.
Well, makasayan ko mati. I mean, these are spaces nga mabalingan pag landingan ti helicopter, rescue or paramedic.
Yeah. So that's
Air
very
transport
important.
system. Ganun.
Very important to have.
Important ag